Squeeze them too hard.
Let's sing together, okay?
No!
Oh, that's so. What's up, you guys? So I'm here with Olivia.
Yay!
This is like the first video we've made since like our makeup challenge and our tin can challenge.
Oh yeah.
It's been so long, but it's been like so exciting to like get to finally do a video again.
Yeah, I'm
So-
excited.
I know. And you can see we have like our Toy Story collection.
Because we're obsessed.
Let me go get my porcupine. He's all lonely. Aww. Look at my little porcupine. He can sit right here. He's cool. Alright, and it's really loud in the back. I'm sorry. It's my brother's birthday, and he's having a party with his little friends. And he's
Happy
only, like,
birthday!
11. Happy birthday, Junior! Woo! Anyways, I need to stop saying anyways. That's like my weakness. Is just saying anyways. Okay, this video is gonna be so long. I'm sorry, guys. And like I said, there's sound in the background if we're watching a movie. So we're gonna do the 7-second challenge. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, but it's where we each give each other 7 seconds to do a challenge. And Lotso does not stop talking. It's really creepy. So in 7 seconds, name 4 movies that have to do with Disney.
Oh, okay.
All right, 1.
Frozen, Toy Story, and The Little Mermaid.
Okay, that was good. You did like in 4 seconds. That was really fast.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn to give me it.
Okay. In 7 seconds, sing a song, like summing up your whole life.
Oh my gosh, like.
On your mark.
Okay.
Get set, go.
I was born, I grew up, and then I
Take one.
I don't
Fail.
That's hard.
I know, I gave you hard
I
one.
don't know where to start. I mean, like, your life is like, my life is almost 18 years
And you can
long.
say your life in 7 seconds.
I
You did not live a good life.
You should say your life in 7 seconds.
There's so much to tell.
You'd be like, birth, school.
Moving, depression. No,
Okay, this is getting really deep, guys.
I did not go through depression. I'm just kidding.
Okay, we're gonna talk about this later.
Yeah, that's really your time.
Okay, in 7 seconds, you have to sing as much as you know of Beauty and the Beast song.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Bonjour, 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 bonjour.
Oh my gosh, that was
That's
a good
the
game.
only one I know.
Wait, I should have said something easier, but it's supposed to be hard. So.
Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah.
Okay. In 7 seconds, make up a really good scenario using these 2 aliens.
Like, what do you want them to do?
like a short film.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go.
We have to find the Unimind! Come on, let's get the Unimind!
Yeah,
What did you say? The Unomine?
the Unimind. I should have said the claw.
Yeah,
the claw. It's 'cause you haven't seen the little like Buzz Lightyear movie, that cartoon one?
No.
And they're like they have the Unimind where they all the same. Never mind.
Okay.
you have to see it to understand. In 7 seconds, you have to be able to lift your elbow. Ready? Go.
I can't. That's impossible.
Your time is up.
That's impossible.
No, it's not. Okay, you're right. Anyways.
Okay, in 7 seconds, you have to take out all your extensions and put them back on.
There's no way. I can only take like. Okay. Okay.
Ready, start, go.
That's so painful.
Okay, done.
Oh my gosh, it's so
I know.
hard.
I got like
Almost 2 pieces now.
I'm sorry, you guys all have to see that. For pulling your head.
It's like murder scene over here.
It's only
my
your toe.
toupee.
You just went total stressing, like, yeah, I'm so stressed
I'm
out.
not gonna put that back on. I can't see where it's at. Okay.
That's okay, it still looks good.
Okay. It better look
I'm
good.
sorry, that was a really hard
That was
one.
hard. It was a good challenge. Though.
Okay.
You have to eat one of these Bean Boozles.
In 7 seconds?
Well, in 7 seconds, you have to tell me what it is. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. And you can't look at it. You have to close your eyes. Okay. So you can really guess what it is.
Okay, and I can't look at it.
Go. 1, 2,
Dirt?
4,
Grass?
5, 6.
No, it's definitely dirt.
Nope. Your time's up. It's either booger or juicy pear.
It tastes like neither. It tastes like dirt.
No, it should be either one. I don't know. It says it's like juicy pear or booger.
Whatever it is, it doesn't taste good. So
It's probably the booger. I think she likes the booger. And she's spitting it out because she can't handle it.
ew, maybe. Oh, it just tastes.
Is it? Is it booger?
Tastes kind of slimy.
Wait, taste one of your own and see if that was what it was. Just kidding. Okay, what's my challenge?
Okay. 7 seconds. You have to name 5 characters from like a really old Disney channel, like like. Really
Ooh,
old.
I can do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
Lizzie McGuire, Raven, Phil from the future, wait, Derek,
Oh.
wait, no.
So close.
Give me a sign. I was like, it's because when you think about it, there's so many that it's like when you're trying to do it in a rush, it's like, it's hard.
Yeah, I know.
In 7 seconds, you have to call someone and prank call them. Just like prank call
In
them.
7 seconds?
Yes.
But it like takes 5 seconds to
Okay,
call
like
them.
from the minute you call them, that's when your 7 seconds starts. So you have to say something. Ready? So she's gonna call one of her friends. We're gonna prank call her. So she's gonna go ahead and do that. The minute the guy answers or whatever, that's when 7 seconds.
Is there anything you want me to say specifically?
You have to ask him out on a date. Okay. Is there music in the back? Is this like a club?
The person so called is unavailable right now.
Ugh.
Later.
Seriously?
Ugh.
Okay guys, so she called her friend and he didn't answer, so I guess we're just gonna skip that one. So I think we're just gonna wrap it up here because we have like no more ideas,
Yeah.
to be honest. So thank you guys so much for watching, and you can subscribe to Olivia's channel.
Even though there's nothing on there.
Well,
But
there better be pretty soon.
I'm gonna start working on it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Olivia for being on my video today.
You're welcome. Thanks
And-
for having me.
I know, I was
Yes.
so excited to do a video with you again, like seriously.
Me too.
Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Yeah, you guys are amazing and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Peace out.